Hi everyone. We have our collective beings of light present here with us. These are our collective spiritual guides, ascended masters who have been guiding us in the journey of ascension. We have a huge field. I want you to take a deep breathing in, take a deep breath, breathe out, open up your field and allow all of these ascended masters in. We have the Galactic Federation, we have the goddesses, Mother Mary, Mary Magdalene, Lady Nada, we have Ascended Master Maitreya, Sanat Kumara, Lord Kumeka, Kutumi, Ascended Master El Moria, we have Shiva, we have Lord Hanuman, we have Lord Sananda, we have Lord Maitreya, we have elemental beings, dragons, unicorns present with us. These are all our joint team of ascension guides, collective guides. They're all here present with us. And I checked with them and they wanted me to record this session. So here we are. And the goddesses are here and they want to share with you that. And they want me to continue channeling light language as I speak. They're sharing that they're really, really proud of you and they're pretty proud of your journey. They're blessing your heart and they're blessing your womb. They're saying that you carry these star energies, you carry the pure energies, the divine mother, divine father energies within you. That's the soul you are. And they are blessing you right now. They're blessing your heart and your womb for being a messenger of light, for being a carrier of light. And as you're receiving this transmission, watching this, they're also working on your crown chakra, intensifying the light on your crown chakra, making it brighter. I can see that your crown chakras are turning to a lighter and intensified shade of blue and white right now. They're surrounding you with divine feminine energies on both sides. You will receive a lot of healing. You will receive a feeling of safety in your body, that you are safe here in your body. You are safe on Mother Earth. Safety, a feeling of safety will envelop you with the presence of the mothers. You're receiving an initiation into the goddess path for yourself. I'm seeing that a lot of you are receiving a beautiful red flower on your bun, on your hair, however you've tied it. And that is the way of the goddess, the mothers, to tell you that you're being initiated and activated into the path of the feminine, the path of the divine feminine, that goddess. And I did not know before, but they're saying that consider this as a pre-invitation to join the light activation circle that we are doing a day after, on the 24th of April, on Friday. We are holding, and the goddesses are holding the circle for you, to activate you, to initiate you, to deepen your path into the goddess path, the priestess path. And they're sharing that this is a small gift from their side, as like a pre-invitation before you join the circle, to initiate your energies and to bring your inner child on board, to bring your body, your heart on board for the activation. 2 days later, they are sharing that we on earth have carried a lot of heavy wounds in us. It's not our fault. That's how things happened on earth. So, this is not all ours. And all of these heavy energies show up within us in the form of so many wounds, in the form that we feel that we are not enough, we lack, we don't feel loved. They show up in the form of sisterhood wounds, where we feel like we need to prove ourselves, we feel like we're always competing, or we want to be better than each other. So they're sharing that you'll be healing a lot of feminine wounds, a lot of body related wounds where you felt that your body is not enough. And they're saying that the shame is external later, but the shame is first internal. You know, the feminine has always felt that her body is not good enough. There's to be a particular shape and size of her body, and that's where she looks really beautiful, right? And that was the externalized shame that became internalized. So they are saying that you will be clearing a lot of internalized shame with respect to your body, feeling of unsafety with respect to your body. And you know, you'll be opening up to more and more beauty, accepting your authenticity, opening up to your power. They're sharing that all of this is basically the way of the feminine, the way of the goddess. This is the one who walks the priestess path, awakens that in other other women, and that's basically the priestess path. They're sharing that this is a prelude and you will be receiving more and more in the light activation circle. And I'm thanking the goddesses to come through in this way to speak about the goddess path and share it with all of you. And they are blessing you right now. They are pouring red flowers on all of you to initiate you on this path. So whoever is receiving this transmission, you're all blessed. You're all blessed. You're receiving this transmission. You've carried so much light all your life, and your light is being recognized right now, and you're ready to get initiated on the goddess path and the priestess path, and that's why the goddesses are blessing you. Let me check if there's anything more for me to receive from the goddess. We are going to have also open up to our purposes. So Goddess Saraswati will be present with us, and you're all going to open up deeply into your purpose as well. During that activation call, you're going to connect with your galactic team of light, and your life is going to become more and more magical. You have seen magic, and you always believed in magic when you were a kid, and now the goddess is saying that you're going to totally embody magic and become magic, and magic will flow through your body, and you will not shy away from accepting that. You will confidently let your magic flow in the world right now on earth. And they are blessing you. They are opening the temple. They're opening the light activation temple. This temple is in the shape of a beautiful large yoni, and they're opening up the temple for all of us, and they're inviting you to the light activation circle on the 24th of April. I did not know it will happen this way, that they are going to send you an invitation from them. But obviously, you deserve this, and we all deserve all of this love and, so much excitement, so much magic, so much kindring that they're doing to us right now. And they're inviting us to this beautiful circle on the 24th of April. To receive the exact details, the time, and the link of the call, please message me, DM me, comment light activation circle, and I will send you the details. I'm now closing this transmission here, thanking the goddess and thanking all of you who are ready to receive this. Lots of love.